Hey y'all, what's up? Today we're going to look at this Skilsaw. It's an old Skilsaw model circular saw, 7¼ inch. Remember when they used to rate them as horsepower? I don't know if they do that anymore. Anyway, when this one was rated as 2 1/8 horsepower. This was your basic circular saw back in the day. Anyway, it needs a set of brushes, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to change the brushes on this saw, and it's not a hard job. It's a pretty easy job actually. I already ordered the brushes and I already got them. So let's get right to it, huh? First of all, let's get it turned around. And you can see this is the circular saw 5150, made in USA by Skil Corp. See that? Alright, so let's get it turned around. Let's put it like this so we can see it. Can you see that? Yeah, we can see that. Alright. Let me get a screwdriver. I'm going to try the old Genesis, see if it works. Oh no, this is yeah. I need a different bit. Looks like a T15. T15, maybe this one. T20. Oh, it looks like it's a T20. I'm surprised it has a Torx in there being so old. But anyway, it has the old Torx with the flat blade screwdriver also incorporated into it. Alright, just 2 screws to get this open. Let's put them on the side. Now, there's the brushes right here. These white things. These are the brushes. And these are the new brushes. They're black, but they're the same thing. And I'll show you how they work in a minute. Anyway, if you look at your brushes here, if they're all the way down or getting close to it, if your saw won't run, they might not be touching the what do you call it, the stator or whatever it's called, the rotor, and your saw won't start. So new brushes are in order, and these are really easy to change. Okay. First thing we need is a little screwdriver. Now these are definitely easy to change than any brushes I've seen. Alright, see, that's how they come right out. You lift it right out. See, it's just sitting on this post. Alright, so the post is on this side over here, on this one. And I think it's on the other side, on the other one. Yeah. We just want to gently pry it up evenly. There we go. Okay. See, now these brushes ain't totally bad, but I'm changing them anyway. Okay. Now let's see what the new brushes look like. Let me get the knife out. Alright, so these are the new brushes. They look like that. Nice spring to them. Different kind of plastic, I believe. I believe this white plastic would eventually rot out. Maybe not. It feels pretty thick, so it's probably not going to rot out. But anyway, I can see these brushes are a little worn. So anyway, here's how you change it. I'm going to go in there. I'm going to dip it in this way. Push it against the rotor. Right? You can get it in there. You can. There we go. Get lower. Get lower. Now we got to guide it onto that post and push it down like that without breaking it. Right? Alright, that's one. I'm going to see how we do the next one. Turn it around a little. Alright, we're going to dip it in this way, right? Get it in. Yeah. Not as easy as it looks, huh? Oh, I'm putting it in the wrong way, no wonder why. Post down, see the post down. Alright, sneak it in there without messing anything up. Alright, get your post lined up and snap it in. And that's it. That's my new brushes are installed. It's that easy. These old brushes on this model right here, they're probably not too bad. I could use them for an emergency. I'll save them. But they were sparking away. So anyway, while you're in there, clean this out a little bit. Add a drop of oil to this oil light bearing back here. See a bronze bearing? Just add a couple drops of oil, nothing heavy. Just get something in there, right? And that's all. If it's dusty in there, make sure you blow it all out. This one is already blown out. And you know, look inside there. You can see the wiring inside. Make sure it's not black. You know, if it's black inside, it might not be worth saving. It's going to get burned out soon. You know what I mean? Next time it heats up, it'll be done. And this is only a 10 amp motor, it says. This wire is only an 18 gauge wire. But they probably do that for a reason. You know, because everybody's using smaller extension cords. And, you know, in order for not to burn down your house, they'd rather burn up the saw. Alright? Now you can see on the back of this thing here, the cover, these two little rubber pieces here hold the brushes down. Alright? Now, I believe this cover goes on one way. It might go on either way. Let's turn it around. Nope. It goes that way. Okay. So now let's get our screws back in there. So you'll notice it sticks up a hair here. That's fine. That's how it fits. So let's get the screwdriver forward. Let's get the clutch lowered a little bit. We don't want to kill it, right? That's good. That was a little loose. I could probably go to 6. Yeah. There we go. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That's how you change the brushes in your old Skilsaw. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And leave comments below. Like us if you like us. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.